Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AZFL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from, and that segues perfectly into the first point that I want to make. And for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I talked about these green lines being very important levels of support, and the bulls did a fantastic job of holding up above them today. Price, okay, to nitpick, sure, the price slightly dropped below it, but that is definitely nitpicking. From the moral of the story, there's really no debate about it. The price did a great job of holding strong and then started to head back upwards later on in the day. So good, solid day on the bulls' part. Now, sure, there's still a lot of work to be done, but that first kind of box as far as work to be done has been checked off, and that box was, again, just stabilizing the price. Obviously, here was no stabilizing, but now at least the price got some sideways action. And you may be saying, well, geez, sideways action, that's kind of, you're saying is bullish? That's setting the bar kind of low. Well, yeah, you got to keep in mind the context of things. And I'm confident in speaking for people when I say I'm sure that most people are happy to see the price going sideways here rather than what was going on back here. So first bit of work has been completed. But Clay, you said there's still more work to be done. What does that even mean? Work to be done, that's just a general statement. And that's a fair point. But that's the great thing about charts is they allow you to quantify and assign numbers to general statements. So more work to be done all revolves around this pink line right here, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. And that level is right up there around 0032, give or take. But that is going to be the next key battleground that the bulls are going to have to fight up above and then get some closes up above it. Does it have to happen on Monday or Tuesday? I'm not saying that at all. If the price just wants to go sideways for a couple more days, in my opinion, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that at all. If that's what it takes to form some sort of bottom, then it is what it is. But at some point, yeah, the bulls are going to have to start to make some more progress, and that first bit of progress is getting up above that pink line. But good way to close the week. Not because, the price had some sort of massive green day, but because the price has apparently, tried to start to form a bottom. And there's only one way to find out if this is indeed the true bottom, and that's just to see how this, price continues to unfold next week and see if it can stay up above these green lines. But so far, so good. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.